Catnip, known scientifically as Nepeta cataria, is more than just an enticing treat for cats. This perennial member of the mint family holds a storied place in herbal medicine, offering a variety of health benefits for humans. From its sedative effects to its ability to ease digestive woes, catnip has been a go-to remedy in traditional medicine cabinets for centuries. This Materia Medica explores the many facets of catnip, from its botanical characteristics to its diverse medicinal uses. Identification: catnip is easily recognizable by its heart-shaped, toothed leaves that are fuzzy and grayish-green in color. The plant typically grows to a height of 20 to 40 inches. During the summer months, it produces clusters of small white flowers with delicate purple spots. Habitat and growth: catnip is native to Europe and Asia, but has become widely naturalized in North America and can be found in most temperate climates around the world. It prefers well-drained soil, full sun to partial shade, and is commonly seen in gardens, roadsides, and wastelands. The plant is hardy and tends to spread vigorously if not contained. Medicinal uses. Please note, as always, this video is intended for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Catnip has several medicinal properties that make it beneficial for human use. Sedative. Traditionally used to alleviate anxiety and insomnia, catnip has mild sedative properties that help calm the nervous system. Antipyretic. Effective in reducing fever by inducing sweating without increasing body temperature. Digestive aid. Helps relieve stomach discomfort, reduce flatulence, and stimulate appetite. Anti-inflammatory. The rosmarinic acid in catnip has anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for easing symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Respiratory health. Can be used as an expectorant to relieve cough and congestion associated with common colds and respiratory infections. Repellent. Catnip oil is a potent mosquito repellent, often comparable to DEET in effectiveness. Herbal preparations: tea. Dried leaves can be steeped in boiling water to make a soothing tea for stress relief and sleep disorders. Tincture. A catnip tincture can be used for more potent effects, particularly for digestive health and as a relaxant. Topical application. Catnip-infused oils can be applied topically to relieve joint pain and inflammation. Inhalation. Breathing in the vapors from a catnip infusion can alleviate respiratory congestion. Cautions. Catnip is generally safe for most individuals when consumed in moderate amounts. However, excessive consumption can lead to headaches, nausea, and a feeling of being unwell. Pregnant women should avoid using catnip as it can stimulate uterine contractions leading to miscarriage or preterm labor. The versatile nature of catnip makes it a valuable herb in both the garden and the apothecary. While it's famously known for its effects on felines, its benefits for human health are equally impressive. With its soothing properties and ease of cultivation, catnip is a must-have for those looking to naturally enhance their health regimen. As with any herbal treatment, it's important to use catnip responsibly and be mindful of its contraindications, especially during pregnancy. Embracing the full spectrum of catnip's uses can provide a natural, holistic approach to well-being.